everyone, how's it going today? It's a beautiful day here, although I'm looking out the windows. The rain clouds are coming. We're gonna have a half day of rain, I think. I have been in the office this morning. Firstly, checking into Justin up in the shop, seeing what projects he's working on. We're finishing up a bar top, and we're working on a really cool table base with a glass top that will have 5 legs, and they're made from ash that we're gonna be ebonizing black, so that's pretty sweet. But Paul, he's getting to do some emails. I sat down with my wife, Amy. We did a couple invoices. She's the one that will then send out the invoice and get the deposits and keep the jobs rolling. So I'm here writing some emails, not too interesting. I'm gonna head up to the shop, get you some shots of what's going on up there. Have a good one. All right, we're up in the shop. Let's have a look at what's going on. Around me, I'm surrounded by a bunch of beautiful tables, some chairs, but let's look at what the projects are. Over here, a good friend of mine, Murray Burns.
Hey, Paul.
There he is. Got the Jailhouse MBCC hat. And he is actually building his own walnut dining table. Beautiful table, by the way, like virtually defect-free. Look at this table. I gotta come right over to this to show it off. Woo! Look at the grains on this table. Just beautiful stuff. Turn down the exposure a bit. Oh, there we go. Check that out. Isn't that nice? And off the offcuts, I guess, we are building this little coffee table, a little double resin river coffee table. We got the chill epoxy, and there's a dirty dog pigment with a bunch of black in there also. Justin's hard at work. We're working on the ash table legs that we have for the pedestal table base. These are the templates. So we're building 5 of these, which will get attached to a center post like this. You can see over here is what the center post will turn into, and it'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this 6? I think that's 6. It's actually 5 legs. And then over here we have a bar top. Wormy soft maple, got a little spalting in it. Justin's getting the final sand done. We're just gonna get the stain on it. And in the back room, a huge river pour. We're just waiting on some product so we can do it all at once. That's the update in the shop right now. I'm gonna head up to the sawmill. It's raining, I don't care. I'm gonna cut some wood. Everyone, hope you're having a great day. So that's a glimpse of what's going on in the shop. Like I said, I'm heading up to the sawmill right now. So you can see behind me, this is the shop right here. And just up here is the sawmill. And a lot of logs. I can't stress enough that we have a lot of logs. So winter's done. We kind of slow down in the sawmilling in the winter time, but come spring and summer, we really hammer down. We're gonna be creating a lot of beautiful lumber. Let's check out some of the pieces that we're doing now. Over here, we're cutting pepper mill blanks. First time to do that, and we're gonna be drying it through the vacuum kiln. Super excited about that. Also, a bunch of live edge mantles. So these are all thick, about 6 inches thick, from 8 inches to 12 inches in depth. All different species. We're also cutting 5/4 walnut, Canadian black walnut, beautiful stuff. Check out this spalted maple over here. Just some incredible stuff also. And then we got a few more stacks here of Canadian black walnut shorts. This is almost all crotch walnut. We have a skid of white shorts, and then we have 5/4 white woods also. Maple, cherry, ash, elm, that kind of thing. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna pick some logs, and we're gonna cut some wood. Okay, here we are. We're up at the sawmill, Woodmiser. 1992 LT40
We retrofitted it with an electric motor. We have a 15 horsepower electric motor, which is quiet, but the sawing of the wood itself is actually loud. And we also modified the mill. I've cut it in half, and I can cut up to 42 inches wide. So that lets us really leave the wood as it was grown, as Mother Nature intended it, and all we do is expose what beauty is inside it. And it's pretty amazing. So I'm slicing into a bunch of logs that I've had for 4, 5, 6 years. So we got a lot of spalting going on, and I'm loving what I'm seeing. So check it out. We're gonna slice up some logs now. I'll try not to knock the camera over. Walnut log. Time to get cut up.
Give me some now, give me some more. Give me some now, give me some more. Give me some.
So we're halfway through on this beautiful Canadian black walnut log. Here's a glimpse of the grain. Wow.
Give me some more. Love felt so real to me tonight. I'm aware I have to prepare to lose it right. I like to hang with you. Don't wanna get into forbidden love. Laughs came so easily tonight. Just get it right. Oh.
So that's it. We just sliced up a beautiful walnut log, and I'm gonna be grabbing another beautiful walnut log. Excited to see what's inside. There's no bark on it, so I've had it for a long time. It must be an old log. We're gonna get cutting. Hop in the X here, get her loaded up.
Give me some more. Give me some now, give me some more. Give me some now, give me some more. Give me some.
Got a little FaceTime action going with Rob down at the Legacy Lumber Factory Outlet. See if he'll answer. Hey,
What's up?
there he is. Say hi. Where's your face?
Hi. Ew. Hold on. I'm moving.
It's Rob from Legacy Lumber, runs the factory outlet. I got a question for you. Somebody just DM'd me. There was an order on the weekend. You have Chill Clear 12 liters?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. He was just making sure his thing was gonna get shipped out.
Chill, clear, 12 liter. Yeah. All the shipping's getting done today.
There we go. Okay.
I had an order come back actually from UPS. I don't know if you know anything about it.
No.
10 liter kits. I don't know what it is though. I gotta look into it.
Okay.
Anyway, what else? What's going on over there at the farm there, boys?
Not too much. I'm just up at the sawmill cutting some wood, working on the vlog with Sebastian, of course.
Hey, Sebastian.
But we're gonna let you run now. We got a little bit of filming to do, so say bye to everyone.
Yeah. Bye, guys. See you soon. Legacy Lumber Factory Outlet. Come by.
Afternoon, everybody. Had my lunch. Thank you, Amy. Justin's back here working on those legs. Confirmed, it is 6 legs on the table base, pedestal table base. My friend Murray has been sanding his river coffee table, epoxy river coffee table, and he's now putting on another coat of finish on his dining table as well. So those will be getting wrapped up soon. I'll definitely have footage of the finish getting put onto the coffee table. One of the best parts of the process. So right now, I'm gonna give you some shop shots. You can see what's going on.